Hi, my name is Krista and I just got my brand new Earthful Persian rug. What I absolutely am so excited for, this rug is machine washable, so I know it's gonna work so well in our home. We have pets, we have kids, we have a busy lifestyle, so being able to just go ahead and stick that in the washing machine is a life changer for us. It's also gorgeous and really, really soft. I'm choosing today to put it in our kitchen because I think it's gonna go really well with just how our kitchen is styled. But they would also look gorgeous in your entryway, your bathroom, your hallway, anywhere that you can think to put these rugs. They are beautiful. So let's go ahead and check it out and how it looks in my space. I am so excited. I just took this right out of the package and it's incredibly soft fibers, which is awesome, especially for walking on and your feet standing in the kitchen. And I got the 3x5, so it's gonna fit perfectly right here in our kitchen, just around our island. And I am just so over the moon. It also has the feature on the back of the rug, so it's non-slip as well, which is huge, especially with our kids running around. And myself, I don't wanna go ahead and slip, so let's go ahead and check it out in space. The material is so soft on our feet. We absolutely love it. It is so cushy and beautiful. We absolutely love this rug. Obviously, as you can tell, it is perfect for our family and our lifestyle. And I love that it's machine washable. I am so excited. You guys are absolutely gonna love this rug.